good time to learn about these AI tools which can help me in my career also to boost. If I talk about my salary prior to completing this course, I was stuck around 8 to 10 lakhs per annum. But after this, I went directly hoping of 18 lakhs.
So, hello and greetings, everyone. We have Mr. Vikas Mofe with us, and he is our mastery program student. So, let's see what Vikas has to share with us. So, hello and welcome, Vikas ji. So, first, let's start with a brief introduction about yourself. Tell us about yourself, like what is your age, from which city you are, and how did you got to know about this mastery course?
Hi Anushka, first of all, very good morning and thank you me for getting a chance to speak about me. Myself Vikas Mofe and I belong from Mumbai. Currently, I'm 30 years of age and I'm working with an MNCs named as an Relax, which is based in UK company, and it's just an work from home job for me. And first of all, I'd like to thank all the Be10x group where they have given me an opportunity to go through the all modules, and I found myself very useful these tools because nowadays, yes, it's an era of AI, and being a tech guy, it's it's an helpful thing from where Be10x have given us to me. Yes, so thank you.
From where you learn about this mastery program, like Be10x?
Yes, from the Be10x platform only. I came across, I guess, Instagram post, and at that time, ChatGPT was something very booming, right? So I thought it's good time to learn about these AI tools, which can help me in my career also to boost my opportunities. Because somewhere around down the line, I was and completing my engineering and all. I didn't got a job properly into that field. But after working 3 to 4 years into sales background, I found somewhere that I want to learn about tech, and it has really helped me out. Means if I talk about my salary prior to completing this course, I was stuck around 8 to 10 lakhs per annum. But after this, I went directly hoping of 18 lakhs.
That's really very great. Okay, so have you completed this mastery course or you are in, just process to complete it?
It's an ongoing process, just because sometimes with the time pursuits, so I complete as I get some time. So I've not completed fully, but yes,
Right.
I'm on it.
So, like, how much time is it since you have, purchased the mastery course? Like, it's 1 year or 6 months. How much time is it?
It's more than 1 year, right?
Right.
Because I have posted something on LinkedIn also, like when I've completed it. So I've gone through it, and it is showing that it's been 1 year I've completed this course.
That's great. Okay. Right. So you have got a great result that you have switched from 10 LPA to 18 LPA.
Definitely, I have also posted everywhere, and I've also referred my friends also. He just completed this B10X program, where not only in ChatGPT but for SQL programs or for Excels or for presenting everything, it is helpful.
Okay, great. And any feedback from your side or anywhere, you just give some feedback to us about anything.
They are doing a great job.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Great. Okay. So, yeah, many of our students have been able to leverage new skill set into, negotiating a higher salary or did you experience any of the upskilling that you learned from this particular master course that you have gotten into your new job or new salary package?
Definitely, because in my new job role also, I was able, before this I was not able to make some PPTs where it used to take 4 to 5 days, and now I'm able to make it within 10 to 20 minutes. So that I can say it's upskilling. It has definitely means the name suggests 10x. It is 10xing.
Okay. That's great. That's great. And any other technical upskilling that you have got apart from PPT?
I've been learning the SQL models
Excellent. Okay. Okay.
and all the Microsoft apps.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it is something where I found I've got a gem out of it. Like something new I've got in my hand.
Mm-hmm. So, any message for the upcoming masterclass learners?
Complete this program and apply it on your daily life. And definitely, if you are in any corporates, not only in corporates, but if you are owning your own business, it is like, you know, what I can say means I don't have that words to spell it out, but it will definitely means your amount won't go anywhere. It is just bringing a new things in. So yes, complete your program and shoot out.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Vikas ji. That was really very nice connecting with you and knowing your, achievement and success story with this masterclass. We wish you a very best of luck for your upcoming life in future. May you get more salary upgrades and salary rise.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah,